Circular motion. An object moving along a circular path and covering equal distances along the circumference in equal interval of time is said to be in uniform circular motion. Examples of circular motion are 1. A satellite orbiting a planet. A satellite moves in a circular path around the Earth. Planet revolving around the Sun. The Earth and other planets orbit the Sun. Electron in a magnetic field. Electrons move in a circular path when it enters a uniform magnetic field perpendicular to its velocity. Merry-go-round. Merry-go-round or carousel moves in a circle when it is in operation. Ferris wheel. The car or cabin on a Ferris wheel move in a path about its central axis. Washing machine drum. During the wash cycle, the drum of the washing machine spin in a circular motion. Hands of clock and blades of a ceiling fan. They all rotate around the central hub following circular path. Motorcycle along a curved road. Motorcycle moves in a circular path as they turn on a curve, requiring a centripetal force to keep it on its path. The velocity of the object is represented by the tangent to the circular path. Although the magnitude of the velocity remains constant, the direction of the velocity continuously changes. Since acceleration is defined as the change in velocity, this change in direction also implies an acceleration. This acceleration is directed towards the center of the circular path and is known as centripetal acceleration, given as A is equal to v squared over r, where A is centripetal acceleration, v velocity, r radius of the circular path. The force required to keep an object moving at a constant speed in a circular path is called the centripetal force. It acts along the radius and towards the center of the circle. It is given by F is equal to mv squared over r, where m is the mass of the object, v velocity, r radius of the circular path. Centrifugal force. When an object is forced to move in a circular path, it's constantly trying to move in a straight line. The force that prevents it from flying off in a straight line is the centripetal force, which pulls inward towards the center of the circle. From the object frame of reference, it feels as though there's an outward force pushing it away from the center. This apparent outward force is called the centrifugal force. It arises due to object inertia. Inertia is the tendency of bodies to remain at rest or of uniform linear motion. Inertia explains why a moving car suddenly stops, you lunge forward. Reluctancy of your body to stop moving. When the car suddenly speeds off, you are pushed backward. The reluctancy of your body to start moving. Application of centrifugal force. Washing machine. Wet clothes are spun at high speed to force water out through small holes in the drum. Lab and medical uses. It's used to separate blood into its components, isolate DNA, and process other samples for testing. Industrial separation. It's used to separate cream from milk, also used as a process of purification in food and pharmaceutical industry. Artificial gravity. In space station, a spinning structure creates a centrifugal effect that pushes objects towards outer walls, creating artificial gravity. Banked roads. Roads are designed with an angle to provide the centripetal force needed for safe turning. Centrifugal clutches. In machinery, centrifugal force is used to engage the drive when a certain rotation speed is reached.